Okay, then in this question, fourth part, that is sine of C. So if you see carefully, this sine C lies in which triangle? Triangle BDC. So sine was P upon H. So for this C, what is P? BD, and H definitely becomes BC. So it is 4 upon 12, or you can write 1 upon 3. The next thing is asked is sec of C, that is H upon B. So for this C, what is H? H will be your BC, and what will be your P? P will be your BC, that is 12 upon 8 root 2. That is 3 upon 2 root 2. And the next part, that is last part, is cot square C minus 1 upon sine square C. So you will write what is cot. Cot is B upon P whole square, and this we will write minus 1 upon P upon H whole square. That is, so for this C, what is your P? What is your B? BC. And what is your P? PD. Minus, it is H. So what is your H? H will again be BC. And what is your P? BD. Okay. Next we will put the values. So stop कर दिया. So DC is our 8 root 2 and BD was 4 whole square minus BC is our 12 upon BD is our 4 whole square. So it is 2, that is 2 root 2 whole square minus 3 square. And what is 2 root 2 whole square? 8 minus 9, that is minus 1. So that will be your answer. Okay, like this, in these type of triangles, first you will see how many right angle triangles are there, then you will find the values of remaining sides, then you will find the trigonometric ratio and manipulate according to the given question. Okay, let's discuss one more type. Suppose value of any one trigonometric ratio is given, and with the help of this we have to find the values of other trigonometric ratio or value of these type of expressions. So how do we proceed in these type of questions? So what we know about cos A? So cos A is actually B upon H. Okay, so what we will do? See, I will tell you two types of ways. By two ways we can solve this type of questions. So B is given, H is given, we will calculate the value of P. So what is P square? H square minus B square, that is 13 square minus 5 square, 169 minus 25. So you will get P square is equals to 144, or what is P? Square root of 144, that is 12. Okay, so this is your P. So we have the value of P now 12, we have the value of B 5, and we have the value of H as 30. So we will put the value in this expression. So what is sine? We know P upon H. What is cot? B upon P. What is tan? P upon B. So what was our P? 12 upon 30 minus 5 upon 12 upon 2 into 12 upon 5. So when you calculate, what you will get? First you will take the LCM here. LCM is 156. So it is 144 minus 65 upon 24 upon 5. Or when you solve it, you will get 79 upon 156 into 5 upon 24. Was understood? Okay, so what you will get? 395 upon 3744. Now in the second part, what is asked? Cot. And what is cot? B upon P plus 1 upon B upon H. So that becomes B upon P plus H upon B. So what was upper B? 5. And what was upper P? 12. What was upper H? 13. And what was upper B? 5. So what we will do? We will take the LCM. It is 25 plus 156. That is 181 upon 60. Okay, like this. Okay, so in these type of questions, you can solve the questions like this.